Hey guys, welcome back to Kyle's Garage. Let's get started. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be working on my 2024 Chevy Trailblazer. If you clicked on the video, it's probably because you want to do a throttle body cleaning. So I haven't found any videos on this whatsoever. There's a lot of misconception because usually your air comes in, you have your mass airflow sensor or your ambient air temperature sensor, and then typically it goes into the throttle body. Well, on these 1.3 liter motors, I would assume the same would be as well as the 1.2s. These go in to the turbo in the back and then come back around to the throttle body into the intake manifold, which is down here, this big plastic black thing, and then obviously into the motor. So I already went ahead and unplugged the throttle body here. It simply just plugs on. As you see, there's a clip there. There's a gray little clip. You just simply pull back on the clip. So once you get that pulled back, you just pinch, pulls off. And then from what I can feel, you have three little bolts. You have this one there, and then one directly below that you're not going to see, but you can follow it straight down and feel with your finger. This side appears to not have one from what I can feel. Let's go find out what size it is and proceed on. So these screws are going to be an 8mm. Alrighty, so the combination that I found out worked is getting a 8mm deep well socket, and then off the coolant reservoir hose. This hose has a Christmas tree that hooks in down here, or down here rather, it's hard to see. I just popped that off for the time being just to allow my ratchet to get in here better. And then obviously you can see I have it broken apart. And then this just pulls right out. And then boom, there you go. There's a throttle body. So you can see mine has 42,500 miles on it. Just a real minor bit of blow by. Nothing too crazy, but we're gonna clean her up and put her back on. So this process is easy. Grab some paper towels, go to your local hardware store, grab some carb and throttle body cleaner, and then we're simply just going to spray this down and wipe it off. And this stuff does evaporate rather quickly, so try to work pretty quick. But you can see just one little wipe how black that is. I'm trying to do this on camera the best I can. I don't know how well you guys can see, but down in the corners is usually where it gets really gunked up. So that's usually where I like to spray pretty good. Wipe her down best we can. And then now I usually just take this rag and then I just go wipe down on the inside of the intake manifold as best as I can. Down here, I usually just try to stick it in a little bit and just wipe down what I can. Nothing too crazy, but you always get a little bit out, so just twirl it around a little bit. Make sure you don't get any paper towel that breaks off in there. And then same for the other piece. Around the best you can. All right, now we're ready to reinstall the throttle body. Okay, so reinstalling the throttle body the same way it was. Just gonna try to drop this down in here as best as I can. But for the time being, I'm just gonna try to start the upper ones by hand. And the reason being why I wanna start the upper ones by hand is simply because this is plastic. So if you cross thread it, that would not be a good day. Just try to start them with the other one, and then I'll try to do the bottom. They definitely don't make these throttle bodies easy to get to in these cars. That's for damn sure. Just try to make sure everything's lined up the best you can. Okay, cool, got it in. Now, to start it is the other fun part. Got it started with my other hand here. Make sure I just get it on a few threads. And then now we're gonna try to use our tool here. Definitely make it a lot easier. And I don't even like using the tool for this, but just definitely makes the job 10 times easier. top one's tight. I'm just gonna go back down, double check the bottom. All right, bottom's all tightened down. And then now we just simply reinstall our plug until it clicks. And then push the clip back in until that clicks. Like I said, I moved that coolant reservoir hose. So I'm just gonna make sure you can see where that's going into. Pop and reinsert that back on there, and we are good to go. Now, it is normal sometimes when you do this, when you do start your car again, sometimes it might sound like it will stumble and have trouble starting, and then worst case scenario, if you get a check engine light, you should just have to disconnect your negative terminal. But I usually don't have any issues. But if you would, sometimes, like I said, they stumble on themselves to start back up because the computer has to learn. It is best case scenario to remove the negative terminal before you start this project. I never normally do. So do as I say, not as I do. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to fire her up and see what happens. And right there, she fired right up. No issues. So that's that. Shut her back off. Alrighty guys, so that is how you remove, clean, and reinstall your throttle body on a 2021 to new 2026, I guess now, Trailblazer. Obviously, this was done on my 2024 Trailblazer, but as long as you have the 1.3 motor and the 1.2, I would assume would be the same. But honestly, I haven't looked at one of the motor bays in them to be able to confirm for sure. But quick 15-20 minutes, throttle body's out, cleaned, and back in. So if you guys made it this far in the video, make sure to smash that like button, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon so that way you guys get notified when I post new videos like this one. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace!